Welcome to this honest review of Upstart, a student loan refinancing platform that has been getting a lot of attention for its AI-powered lending model. I wanted to see for myself how the service works, so I signed up, went through the process, and now I'm sharing everything, good and bad. The first thing that stands out about Upstart is its promise to look beyond credit scores, using artificial intelligence and alternative data points, like your education and employment history to determine your eligibility and rates. This might sound promising, especially if your credit isn't perfect, but it also means that your experience can vary significantly depending on how their model interprets your data. When you land on the homepage, you're greeted with a clean and simple interface. It's easy to start a rate check, which doesn't impact your credit score. You input basic details about your loans, income, job, and education. The platform is quick. Within minutes, I had pre-qualified offers. But here's where it gets a little tricky. The interest rates offered were not as low as advertised. While Upstart claims competitive rates, what you get depends heavily on your background and data profile. In my case, even with a strong job and income, the rates were only slightly better than my existing loan terms. Also, the site requires a hard credit pull if you decide to proceed with the application. That's not unusual, but something to be aware of. The approval process was smooth, and I didn't need to talk to a representative, though customer support is available via email and phone. Many useful links you can find in the description. One of the biggest drawbacks I noticed is the origination fee. Not all lenders charge this, but Upstart does, and it can be up to 8% of the loan amount, which significantly cuts into your potential savings. Additionally, if your financial situation isn't ideal, Upstart might not be the best fit. They have a minimum credit requirement, and the lowest rates go to those with excellent financial profiles. Another thing to note is that Upstart does not service the loans directly. Once your loan is issued, it's handed off to a partner bank or servicer. This isn't necessarily bad, but it adds another layer of communication and could complicate things if issues arise. What I did appreciate is the transparency. The site clearly shows the terms, repayment options, and potential fees before you finalize anything. It's not hidden in the fine print, which I respect. Upstart might be ideal for borrowers who are new to credit, have a strong educational background, or are early in their careers. If that's you, it might be worth checking out. However, if you have excellent credit and solid loan offers elsewhere, other platforms may give you better rates with fewer fees. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.